Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier Webhook to connect High Level with Google Sheets. This integration allows you to automatically send data from High Level directly into a spreadsheet, making it much easier to track contacts, leads, or any activity without manual data entry. Let's start by heading over to Zapier.com in your web browser. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all your automations live. Now click the Zap button to create a new automation. This is where you'll build the connection between High Level and Google Sheets. Next, click the trigger button. This is the first step in any Zap. It's what starts the automation. In the search bar, type in Webhooks by Zapier and select it from the results. Webhooks allow external apps like High Level to send data directly into Zapier. From the trigger event options, select Catch Hook and then click Continue. This tells Zapier to listen for incoming data. On the next screen, click Continue again. Zapier will now generate a unique webhook URL for you. This URL is what you'll use to connect High Level to Zapier, so go ahead and copy it. Now open a new tab and log in to your High Level account at app.gohighlevel.com. Once you're in, navigate to Settings, then Business Profile, and finally Webhooks. If you want to set this up for a specific workflow instead, go to Workflows, select the workflow you need, and then click on Triggers. Click the Add Webhook button. In the URL field, paste the Zapier Webhook URL you copied earlier. Next, select the trigger event that you want to send to Zapier. This could be something like contact created or opportunity updated depending on what data you want to track. You'll also choose which data fields to send along with the trigger. Once everything is set, click Save or Test to verify the connection is working. Now head back to Zapier. Click the Action button. This is the second part of your Zap. It's what happens after the trigger fires. In the search bar, type Google Sheets and select it from the results. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose an action event. Go ahead and select the one that fits your needs. Next, you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account. Click to sign in and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Google account. Once connected, click Continue. Now, select your spreadsheet from the Spreadsheet drop-down menu, then choose the specific worksheet, like Sheet 1, where you want the data to go. This next part is important. You'll need to map the webhook data fields to the columns in your spreadsheet. For example, if you have a column called Name, click the drop-down and match it to the high-level contact name field. Do this for each column you want to fill automatically. This ensures the right data ends up in the right place. Once your fields are mapped, click Test Action. Zapier will send a sample row of data to your Google Sheet so you can see if everything is working correctly. Open your sheet and verify that the data appears in the correct columns. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap or Turn on Zap to activate your automation. From now on, whenever the trigger event happens in High Level, the data will automatically flow into your Google Sheet. And that's it. You've successfully connected High Level to Google Sheets using Zapier Webhooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.